Hi, hello, welcome to another session of English with SK in rrbuddy.com, the ultimate destination for online classes. My dear students of class 6th, how are you? I hope that you all are doing well. As usually, we will start the session with a riddle. Here is the riddle for you. What is always in front of you but can't be seen? Try to get the answer. At the end of the lesson, I will tell you the answer. Students, now look at the picture and discuss the questions that follow. Which sport is shown in the picture? Yes, you are right. It is cricket. Which sport or game do you play? You may say, I play carom, chess, football, and cricket. Cricket is one of the famous games played in our country. Now, let us learn more about the game of cricket. Cricket is played with two teams of 11 players each. Each team takes turns batting and playing in the field, as in baseball. In cricket, the batter is a batsman and the pitcher is a bowler. The bowler tries to knock down the bail of the wicket. The sport of cricket has a known history beginning in the late 16th century. Having originated in southeast England, it became the country's national sport in the 18th century and has developed globally in the 19th and 20th centuries. International matches have been played since 1844 and Test cricket began retrospectively recognized in 1877. Cricket is the world's second most popular spectator sport after association football, soccer. Governance is by the International Cricket Council (ICC), which has over 100 countries and territories in membership, although only 12 currently play Test cricket. Terms associated with cricket: bowled, bumper, caught, appeal, drive, by, full toss, glide, hook, good length pitch, googly, late cut, leg before wicket LBW, long hop, in swing, leg break, leg glance, no ball, offside, onside, leg side, over pitch, outswing, off break, pull, square cut, stumped, sweep, run out, take guard, wide ball, and yorker are the terms associated with cricket. Here is a clipping of cricket match between India and Australia.
India, we are in London, we're at the Oval. Not a good shot. And he'll put that in the gap, but it doesn't matter where the gap was because it sailed over. And just keeps going.
Yeah, that's a terrific shot from Rohit Sharma. Brings up his 50. Outside edge, and that's the wicket Australia wanted.
It's hit the the gap. Oh, it was in the air, wide of the field, and well played. He starts for the single. No, there's always drama. Now they'll go for the single. Now Shikhar Dhawan's got 100, or has he? He's got to wait to see if Virat Kohli made his ground. He thinks he has.
And that's how he plays as Shikhar Dhawan hoiks one onto the leg side. It's a tough catch, but easily taken on the boundary.
There you go. For the moment, he's got 50 one-day international 50s. Dead straight. Absolutely dead straight. He's got it. That's out of the middle. Doesn't get it. That's a good shot. That is just full of class. That's huge. Absolutely huge. Conceded in a World Cup. Oh, that is amazing. Caught and bowled. One-handed.
Not in his arc. Doesn't get the power MS Dhoni. Hits the toe of the bat. That's a very good catch. This time over covers. He finds the fielder. Virat Kohli has remained off strike for a long period of time.
Finds the gap. Rahul. That is brilliant. What a magnificent 3 balls he's faced for 11 runs. And India, they bring up 350. Australia will need 353 for victory. Australia, of course, defending champions. This is what they need to win. Brilliant shots. Brilliant from Finch. That sounded good off the bat. They'll be looking for 2, but oh, we just about get it. Just about get it. That's it hard. Stayed on the back foot. The ball was slow. He's found the gap for 4.
Outside edge. The third man fielder doesn't get it. Well, that is probably one of the slowest 50s, maybe the slowest ever. That's gone the distance. This time over mid-wicket. That's exactly what I was saying. It's against the breeze, and Warner finds the man at deep mid-wicket.
It's a nice shot. There's nobody behind. That's going to be 4. That brings up the 50 for this man.
And to come back like he did, and that's a slog sweep. And that's gone all the way.
Bowled. Bumrah. They call him to deliver. And boy, it delivers every time. Oh, that should be gone. Oh, gone. This one coming back in as well. Bhuvneshwar Kumar. He's given a chance. Some running to do. It's a good take. It's safe. Yeah, it's a good area to hit, isn't it? Down the ground and straight. Ball spinning back into Carey. Has he picked him out? He has. He has. It's a long boundary. Kohli. Edge gone. Diving forward, Dhoni. Zampa will be the final wicket on the last ball of the game. And that emotive man, the captain of India, tells us the story. It's a win to India by 36 runs.
Cricket is a sport and it is played by 2 sides or teams of 11 players in each team. Now, let us learn a poem on Indian cricket team. Now, let us learn Some word meanings. Toss. In cricket, the toss is the flipping of a coin to determine which captain will have the right to choose whether their team will bat or field at the start of the match. Century. 100. Here in cricket it is 100 runs. Knee. The joint between the thigh and the lower leg in humans. Mokalu. Injury. An instance of being injured. Gayam. Fence. Boundary or a boundary line. Tense. Nervousness or anxiety. Andolana. Blazing. Burning brightly. Rhyming words in the poem. Toss, boss, century, injury, fence, tense, decision, position, run, sun, cup, up. Now let us read the poem Indian Cricket Team. When the umpire puts the toss, Dhoni is the boss. When Gambhir hits a century, Brett Lee goes for any injury. Once again, when the umpire puts the toss, Dhoni is the boss. When Gambhir hits a century, Brett Lee goes for any injury. When Sehwag hits the ball to the fence, pointing becomes tense. When Taylor's run out is taken to the third umpire's decision. Once again, when Sehwag hits the ball to the fence, pointing becomes tense. When Taylor's run out is taken to the third umpire's decision. He loses his batting position. When India is in need of a run, down goes the blazing sun. When India gets the cup, they rise it up. Once again, he loses his batting position. When India is in need of a run, down goes the blazing sun. When India gets the cup, they rise it up. Once again, we will read the entire poem. Indian Cricket Team. When the umpire puts the toss, Dhoni is the boss. When Gambhir hits a century, Brett Lee goes for any injury. When Sehwag hits the ball to the fence, pointing becomes tense. When Taylor's run out is taken to the third umpire's decision, he loses his batting position. When India is in need of a run, down goes the blazing sun. When India gets the cup, they rise it up. Here is a summary of the poem Indian Cricket Team. Dhoni is the captain of Indian cricket team and Ponting is the captain of Australian cricket team. When both of them come, the umpire puts the toss. Gambhir hits a century and Brett Lee's knee is injured. When Sehwag hits a boundary, Ponting is very much worried. Taylor's run-out decision is taken to the third umpire's decision. He loses his batting position. Indians have to make a run to get the victory over Australia. At the time, the sun gradually goes down and India wins the match. When Indian players are given the cup, they rise it up. Answer the following questions. First one. Do you like the poem? Give reasons for your answer. Yes, I like the poem. It is just because of the rhyming pattern used in it. Second question. Write a similar poem by changing the names of players of another cricket team. When the umpire puts the toss, the cock is the boss. When Morgan hits century, Rabada goes for any injury. When Ben Stokes hits the ball to the fence, the cock becomes tense. When Joy Root's runout is taken to the third umpire's decision, he loses his batting position. When South Africa is in need of a run, down goes the blazing sun. When South Africa gets the cup, they raise it up. It's time for the riddle. What is always in front of you but can't be seen? What is always in front of you but can't be seen? The answer for the riddle is the future. The future.